So what we've basically done is that we've 3D scanned all of the gingerbread houses that we normally show in this exhibition space physically, and instead we have turned them into 3D versions of themselves. So now you get to experience them as AR models that appear on your camera phone when you visit the website, basically. If we look at this first one, you can see Greta when she's traveling on the Atlantic Ocean to New York, which is a quite familiar view to the people that have been following Greta on her travels. And then if we go to this next one, we can also see Greta where she's on the strike outside of Arlanda airport.